Hello friends, hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Welcome back to yet another video of the Football Mania to bring you all the latest news and insights from the world of football. Indian football for so many weeks was in a dilemma. It was undergoing a transition and this transition looked to be going towards a positive future. However, it has to be said that India has once again fallen into the pit, and once again there is a serious doubt, there is a serious possibility of facing a potential ban by the apex body of football in the world, that is FIFA. Not only will India not be allowed to participate in any FIFA tournament, it will also be taking away the rights of hosting a FIFA World Cup, which is coming up in October 2022. Yes, my friends, this is official and this is something which has been revealed by FIFA, that in no shape or form does it want its member associations to seek help from a third party intervention. And it has to ensure that the member associations are running independently and all the resources and all the responsibilities are under the control of the AIFF. Well, having said that, now the Supreme Court, according to its verdict on 3rd August, expeditiously is looking to hold the elections, and it is doing whatever it can to ensure that it is following the FIFA roadmap. However, what FIFA feels is that there are serious deviations from the roadmap which was issued on 1st July to the AIFF and the Committee of Administrators. According to that roadmap, they wanted AIFF to hold a special General Assembly meeting by the first week of August and ensure that all the statutes are in place to hold the elections. However, seeking help from the Supreme Court and the Supreme Court officially making the decisions for AIFF in the basis of how it should run is absolutely against what FIFA believes is right for any member association. And according to what FIFA is telling, they just want the elections to be held smoothly. But Supreme Court has intervened in this matter, and AIFF has no hands. They are helpless. They are at the mercy of the Supreme Court. That is how far behind Indian football is right now. And FIFA has requested the AIFF to send a transcript of Supreme Court's decision by 9th of August, 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time, which means that the Committee of Administrators and the AIFF have to, send that verdict through a transcript so that the FIFA can review that document, they can analyze and send it for further investigation. And if they find out that there are major deviations from what FIFA statutes and laws hold, then my friends, we are in big trouble. And this is not a very big surprise, because always I knew that FIFA is a body which makes rational decisions, and they have suspended other national federations across the world. This is not for the first time that they're giving such a warning, and this is a very big wake up call for the people like Sunando Dhar, who is the acting general secretary, and the COA to get their you know acts right. And this is where I feel that everyone needs to come together and ensure that we don't face any kind of threat from FIFA. Well, this was going to happen. This is something which third party intervention is something which every organization has as a clause. And according to what FIFA is saying, they don't want any kind of member association to be dependent on anyone else in dictating the terms and running the federation. That is something which FIFA cannot tolerate. And the aforesaid roadmap which was supposed to happen has not yet happened. And by the end of August they want to hold the elections. That is what Supreme Court has said. But if we don't do whatever FIFA is requesting, we will be in big trouble. And just what is at stake for Indian football right now? Hosting a FIFA Under 17 Women's World Cup, which is going to shape the future of women's football in this country. This is a huge opportunity which we just cannot let go. because we all know that everyone is buzzing. Everyone across the country, right from young girls till middle-aged people, right till senior citizens, everyone is buzzing for this World Cup because they know that India has the potential. India currently sits on 56th rank, and that is something which I feel that is going to pave the way for many more talented youngsters to follow the suit and ensure that India will rise to the big stage. However, FIFA has made Indian football quite difficult to run, and the Supreme Court is doing whatever it can. But this comes as a very, very big disheartening news because FIFA is an apex body, and if they are in charge of running football all across the globe, AIFF is a member association and all their powers will be taken away. They cannot host the World Cup. Just imagine what will be the repercussion of this on the future of women's football in this country. Has AIFF even thought that all the young girls who aspire to play at the national level, who want to compete in the IWL, and players who want to represent their state, want to do many things for women's football, what will happen to them? What will happen to the referees, the coaches, female coaches, and all the other administrators who are involved in women's football? Everything will go into jeopardy, and the reason for that is AIFF's lack of initiative and proactiveness. This is the honest truth, and I stand by this truth because when you look at AIFF, we feel that they always have a political intervention. And do you think any football federation across the world will be able to run when there is a political intervention and they dictate the terms? Well, I have not seen anything like this, but AIFF is the victim of their own downfall. They are the reason behind this failure and the current situation what Indian football is in. And FIFA are right in what they're doing. They're just following the protocols and all the regulations which are set. And obviously, you won't want anyone else to dictate how your life goes, because if that is happening, you are, going towards failure. And this is the exact situation with AIFF right now. They are under the mercy of the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court is doing whatever it can to dictate the terms. They only formed the committee of administrators, and AIFF did not have any say. Yes, they removed Praful Patel, they removed Kushal Das, and after that they formed this COA, but they are not following the FIFA roadmap. I'm sure there will be deviations. Obviously, even the state associations are having many complaints against the drafted constitution. So there are so many things which we need to consider in this situation, and how FIFA is going to make the final verdict. That is going to have a huge impact on the future of Indian football. So guys, please let me know what are your thoughts about FIFA's response to the Supreme Court intervening in AIFF's matters, because this is a major decision which will come in the next few days, and we will see how things pan out. I would love to know your thoughts about this, and if you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, and if you have not yet subscribed to the Football Mania, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification for regular updates. So until next time, stay safe and take care.